We are looking at color gradients in this video today. To get started, open a design in the Canva workspace. On the left side toolbar, click the Elements icon and drag a shape onto your canvas, resizing it to fit your design. Next, head to the top editing toolbar and click on the color circle to open the Color tab. This tab displays your document colors. Along with the document colors, Canva also displays brand and default colors. Under default are solid and gradient colors. Clicking on Add New Color opens two options, solid color and gradient. The menu defaults to solid color, but for this tutorial, choose the Gradient tab to explore its creative possibilities. In the Gradient tab, you'll notice your original color, an additional color, and an option to add more colors using the Add New Gradient color circle. On your design, you'll see a smooth transition between the first and second colors, spanning your element from left to right. If you click the Add New Gradient color circle, you can include more colors in your gradient. You can also remove colors or adjust the order by dragging the color circles to different positions, creating new patterns and transitions. Below the Gradient Color section, you'll find 5 style options to customize your gradient. Click through these to explore various patterns and effects, adding unique visual interest to your design. Navigate to the left side toolbar and click on the app's icon. In the search bar, type Type Gradient and select it from the results to open the tool. Inside Type Gradient, you'll find the main text section, where you can enter your text. You'll also have option to change the font, along with alignment and line height adjustments on the right-hand side. Canva even gives you the ability to use custom fonts for added flexibility. Beneath the text settings, you'll see the gradient color line. Here you can customize the colors to fit the needs of your design. Type Gradient starts with 3 default color circles. You can click on these circles to change their colors, or click directly on the color line to add additional colors. To further customize your design, you can adjust the direction of the gradient on your text. Simply drag the directional handle until you achieve the desired layout, giving your text a unique and polished look. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Add to Design at the bottom. Your gradient text will appear on the canvas, ready for you to resize and position as needed. And that is how you add gradients to both text and elements. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.